Hindi, meron pa, di ba? Yung ano,
Hindi mo nagamit yan, okay? Hindi pwede akin eh.
kalaro ko yun. Ba't di ito hindi open?
Ha?
Ito hindi open.
Hindi nga siya naglalaro. Hindi ako din si Kuya. Sa messenger.
Ba't laruin mo?
Ay, hindi ko nga alam yun. Hindi.
Ayan, ano yan?
Okay. Ay, ano gusto mo lang gusto ko? Ano ko na gusto sa
Kasi ayun kasi lagi ko kami.
Hindi alam lang. Gagamitin na. Sabi nga, dyan ko lang po kami. Wala na dito. Oo, okay na.
Mag-lead ko lang yun eh.
Hey, if you see Angela coming, give me a heads up.
Ay, si Romeo. Tara, laro tayo. Tara, laro ko, laro ko.
Ang GO eh.
Oh? Ano, Grandmaster na pala? Sige boss. Mamaya, laro tayo. So, join na po yung mga gusto sumali sa akin. Join na pagtapos ko kumain. Sige, bossing. Para laro tayo. Tara, Yasin, laro tayo. Online na ako, para. Yasin. Bawi tayo, talo tayo kagahapon. Sige. Boss Romeo, antayin ka namin. Tapusin mo na kumain. Asan ko po?
Angela tried to dye my fur pink once. I think she's got a few screws loose. People say you should strive to find meaning in life. Nah.
Mga bossing, laro tayo mga bossing. Add nyo lang ako. Or follow lang po yung aking ano.
Angela tried to dye my fur pink once. I think she's got a few screws.
Hello po sir, mga ma'am. Tara, laro po.
Your team is banning.
Ha? Oh? Ishai Kitchen, hello po.
Please ban a hero. The enemy is picking.
I see lots of prey.
Your team is picking.
I am the moonlight that breaks through the
My
darkness.
pleasure.
The enemy is picking.
Mighty oaks from Little A.
It's my way or the highway.
Your team is picking.
The ocean is not just our home. It is who we are.
Watch mo at din yung tinuturo mo sa amin yun. Yung kay Ali, watch mo. View mo lang, view mo lang. Mama. RDL.
You want to make friends
Hello
with
po.
Nana?
The enemy is picking.
Big Mar. Hello po, Sir Big Mar.
Everything engulfed in flames.
Test. Alpha is online.
Your team is picking.
Ay, oo nga, no, nalimutan ko.
Let's hear from the crowd.
Hindi ko na...
Yours truly.
Hello mga ma'am, sir. Magandang tanghali po. Tara, laro po tayo, laro. Laro guys, laro. Let's see nga kung ilan na yung charge nito, pero pwede na hugutin. Ah. Kaigat.
Welcome to Mobile Legends! 5 seconds till the enemy reaches the battlefield. Smash them! All troops deployed!
I can't see through the ocean, nor your desire. The ocean is not just our home. It is who we are. Time to change my northern veil.
Request backup!
Tides rise, tides fall. This is the way.
Initiate retreat! Okay!
Feel the surge of the oceans. Don't stick your nose where it doesn't belong.
Alis na, par.
Launch attack.
Understood.
Launch attack. Slain. Launch attack. Initiate retreat.
Understood.
Request backup. Okay.
Understood. Gather up the turtle.
Okay.
Resting at the bottom of the sea are cold bodies of the greedy.
Request backup.
Understood.
Initiate retreat. Okay.
Fills the faces of all drowning men. I can't see through the ocean, nor your desire. The ocean
Slain the turtle.
is who we are.
Initiate retreat. Okay.
Urge of the oceans.
Yan, may SS na ako.
Tides rise, tides fall.
Request backup. Okay. Request backup.
Resting at the
Slain an enemy. Enemy has been slain.
Grabe ang kunot ng Roger.
An enemy has been slain.
regret fills the faces of all drowning men.
Request backup. Initiate retreat.
Return
Dami.
to the ocean. Don't stick your nose where it doesn't belong.
An enemy has been slain. Launch attack. Has slain the turtle. Killing spree. An enemy has been slain. Request backup. Okay. Team, initiate retreat.
Understood.
Request backup. Okay.
Resting at the bottom of the sea are cold bodies of the greedy. Feel the surge of the oceans.
Request backup. Your team destroyed the turret. You have slain an enemy. Shut down.
Time to change my northern veil. Regret fills the faces of all
Initiate
drowning
retreat.
men. Tides rise, tides fall. This is the way.
The enemy has slain the turtle. Has been slain. Ally has been slain. Killing spree. Request backup. Our turret has been destroyed.
Understood.
Ano daw?
Initiate
Kung meron
retreat.
may account.
Feel the surge of the oceans.
Initiate retreat.
Just our home.
Our turret is under attack. Request back. Okay. Launch attack.
I can't see through the ocean, nor your desire.
Ally has been slain. Launch attack.
Understood.
Ask the sea for mercy.
Our turret is under attack. Turret has been destroyed. Our inhibitor turret is under attack. An enemy has been slain. Enemy has been slain. Our turret is under attack.
Tides rise, tides fall. This is the way.
Our turret has been destroyed.
Regret fills the faces of all drowning men. Don't stick your nose where it doesn't belong. Resting at the bottom of the sea are cold bodies of the green. Feel the surge of the oceans.
The enemy launch attack.
Ay,
Launch attack.
galing, galing, galing. Ay,
Down. Killing spree. Launch attack. Your team destroyed a turret. Your team destroyed a turret. Request backup. Okay.
I can't see through the ocean, nor your desire. Don't stay
Understood.
where it doesn't belong.
Don't give up. Let's try again.
The
Launch
ocean is
attack.
not
Okay.
just our home. It is who we are. Time
Sige, paring Sid. Sali ka, sali ka.
Resting at the bottom of the sea are cold bodies of the greedy.
Request backup.
Antayin mo lang matapos, to, pare.
Initiate retreat. Enemy rampage. Ally has been slain. Our inhibitor turret is under attack. Our turret has been destroyed. Our base is under attack.
Sablay. Yasin, bawi tayo. May sasali ako isa. Sid, online ka na. Mag-online ka na, Sid. Sayang. Hi Ivan, tara sali ka sa amin. ML tayo, legend. Or mythic lang available natin. Hi, hello, Dems. Sali ka sa amin, Sir Dems. ML tayo, ML guys, ML tayo. Ay! Kasada.
Kanino?
Ayun o, kapata raw.
Hindi akin yan.
Hindi ba sa'yo yan? Magkano? 720.
Please ban a hero. Your team is banning. Please pick a hero.
Hindi ako nakapagano. Sorry, hindi ako nakapagano.
My magic flows as freely as the
Enemy is
wind.
picking.
Muscle of iron, bones of steel.
Life is a stage, and
Your
I
team
am the
is picking.
dancer.
I am the moonlight that breaks through the darkness.
Sid, ikaw na, Sid. Walang. Di ba rin ka ba iyan?
Test. Alpha is online.
Enemy is picking.
Ready? Go!
Hayabusa, Sanjo.
Your team is picking.
I will protect you.
I see lots of prey.
The enemy is picking.
Kindness is the surest path to ruination.
Bawi tayo, bawi tayo. Bago mo lang akong break, pare. Break na lang, pare. Yung MDD kasi yan eh, pinashort ko lang yun eh. Tinanggal ko lang yung mga ano, mga vowels niyan.
Welcome to Mobile Legends! 5 seconds till the enemy reaches the battlefield. Smash them! All troops deployed!
The boy who was like wind. Where is the boy who's like fire?
Ay sir, ma'am, sali na po kayo. Sali na po kayo sa amin, sali na po kayo sa amin. Sayang. Uy, masyado mainit.
First blood. Initiate retreat. Okay.
Visit ako sa'yo, Sid. Visit ako sa'yo.
Request backup.
Listen, it is the
Understood.
sound of the winds.
Request backup.
Understood.
In the name of the wind.
Ay, pang!
Slain.
Napatay ako ron. Sorry. Napadigat ako ron. Ulo ko yun ah. Paano ko pinatay nun?
You can no longer move. Don't even try.
Request backup.
Nothing can stop me from soaring to the skies.
Understood.
Yari sa akin yan.
Request backup.
Understood.
Ang dami dun.
You can no longer move. Don't even try.
Patay yan! Putang ina talaga.
Sound of the wind.
Oo, hindi pa mamatay yan.
An enemy has been slain. An ally has
Nice one.
the turtle.
Understood.
The storm is coming. Nothing can stop me from soaring to the sky. Behold, the fury of the wind.
Ang bilis nun.
Where is the boy who's like fire?
Understood.
No.
In the name of the winds.
Launch attack.
Understood.
You have slain an enemy. Launch attack.
In the name
Nawalan ako ng
of
mana,
the
nawalan ako ng
winds.
mana. Nawalan ako ng mana. Ito na, balik ulit tayo sa mid. Pinupagak yung tak natin. Patayin ko na nga itong Selena na to.
Request backup.
Understood.
Request backup. Okay, an enemy has been slain.
Nice one. Napapatay mo na sa ulo dyan ah.
Nothing can stop me from soaring to the skies.
Request backup. An enemy has been slain.
Behold, the fury of the wind.
Double kill.
Nice one, nice one.
Request backup.
Nice one, nice one, nice one, nice one.
Boy who's like wind.
Request backup. Okay, an ally has slain the turtle. Okay.
Listen. Behold, the fury of the wind.
Ayong yun.
The storm is coming.
Initiate retreat. Request backup. Slain.
Sayang pre, hindi ka nakasali. Sali ka ngayon, sali ka ngayon.
Launch attack. Your team destroyed the turret. Mega kill.
Sali ka ngayon, sali ka rin. Oo, after nito para sali ka namin. Legend ka na ba, pre? Legend ka na? Boom!
Unstoppable.
Punit! Talaga. Ginagalit nyo ako ngayon ah.
Your team destroyed a turret. Launch attack.
Epic Honor. Epic Honor ba? Uy! Sabog yan.
Killing spree. Okay.
Sabog yan, matik.
Request backup.
Where is the boy who's like fire? Behold, the fury of the wind.
Ang dami star niyan ah.
You can no longer move. Don't even try.
Walang Diyos.
Launch attack. Okay.
Ang daming star. Wala akong mana pare. Wala akong mana. Wala akong mana. Kawawi ako.
Nothing can stop me.
Oh! Can't tell.
Understood.
Listen, it is the sound of the winds.
Request backup.
Where is the boy who's like fire?
Monster kill. Turret has been destroyed. You destroyed a turret.
Ay, grabe. Kami, panalo kami kagabi.
Behold,
Ay, sinambot ko pa rin. Ang tindi. Nice one, Mia. Nice one. Nice one.
An ally has slain the turtle.
Sige lang pare. Bawi tayo, bawi tayo. Guys, tara, laro na po. Laro na po tayo. Laro na po tayo.
The storm is
Bang.
coming.
Uy! Loko yun ah.
In the name of the wind.
Understood.
The boy who's like wind.
Understood.
Baba.
Behold, the fury of the winds.
You have slain an enemy. Launch attack. Okay.
It's the sound of the wind.
Launch attack.
Understood.
Nice! Kala. Uy! Nagkaido na. Top 25 na pala ako sa Cebu City. Top 25 ba? Mia, yung Layla oh. Kayang-kaya sa 1v1.
Where is the boy who's like fire?
Launch attack. Okay.
Stay with me.
Enemy double kill. An enemy has been slain.
Boom. Boom. Boom.
Turret is under attack.
Hehehe.
Double kill.
Hehehe.
Been destroyed.
Galit na galit. Gusto manakit.
Nothing can stop me from.
Oh, galit na galit.
Killing spree.
Mahina lang kalaban.
Team destroyed the turret.
Mahina pa yan.
An ally has slain Lord.
The storm. Behold, the fury of the wind.
Attack.
The boy who's like
Your
wind.
team destroyed a turret. Killing spree. Our turret has been destroyed. Double kill. Shut down. Initiate retreat has been slain. Your team destroyed a turret. Launch attack.
Behold, the fury of the wind.
Unstoppable.
Kulit ka.
Launch attack. Okay. Slain. Wiped out. Your team destroyed a turret. Launch attack.
Understood.
Tapos na,
You
tapos
can
na.
no longer move. Don't even try.
Nice one. Nice game, nice game, nice game. Ang galing, galing, galing. Magaling ang mga kakampi ko.
Victory.
Hi guys! Tara, sali na kayo sa amin, sali na po. Add mo ko. Wait lang pare. Hi, hello Charles. Solo na lang. Bakit naman? Solo ka na lang par. Wag, kakampi natin yan eh. Ano? Pre, epic ka pa lang eh. Wait lang. Antayin ko lang, wait lang. May gusto sumali kasi, kaso nga lang epic. Kaso epic. Sayang. Hi, hello Charles. Hello Charles. Tara, laro tayo Charles. Sayang, may gusto sumali eh. Oo eh, kaso nga lang di tayo pa pwede eh. Charles, sali ka. Hi, Sir Ejaculation. Ace Gaming. Par, next game ka na lang, par. Next game na lang yung ano. Sayang. Kaso epic ka. Wait lang, check nga natin kung epic talaga siya. Check nga natin kung epic talaga si paring ano. Check muna natin. Salamat paring Sid. 6-4 1-1-1. Kasyo. Ito ba yung sa'yo? Ay, hindi siya epic pa. Pwede to. Ayan, Kasyo. Ayun na. Hindi. Uy, nasa si ano? Sid, pare. Nawala ka, pare. Sid, pare. Antayin ka namin. Akala ko epic siya, par. Hi, Micaela and Kyle. Hi, hello po. Next game po tayo lalaro. Micaela and Kyle. Add ko po kayo. Later po, ha. Kami muna po. Papalaw na lang din muna, ma'am. Papalaw na lang din po lahat ng mga sasali. Para, ano. Nood muna kayo. Ay, why? What happened? Ay, sorry. Hindi ko napindot. Napa-epic 10 star. Okay guys, tara. Hi Sir Arnold Romero. Hi, hello Sir Arnold Romero. Salamat po. Micaela and Kyle, sali kayo mamaya ha. Sir Arnold, sali ka. Sali ka sa amin. Baragan to, baragan. Puguin natin sila lahat. Baragan to. Altea Cadiz, hello po. Ang tagal, parang walang gusto lumaban. Kinakabahan na ako ah. Ako lang hindi mythic sa atin ah. Parang nahiya naman ako ron. Ronald Lada, hello po. Salamat po sa pag-join, sa pag-view. Watch lang po. Hala, si ano, ang hindi nag-ano, wait lang, si Aldo pa lang hindi nag-ano. Yasin, anong nangyari? Sure, sige po sir, sali po kayo. Sali po kayo, sali po kayo. Si Yasin. Yun lang, di ko alam, di ko sure. Bakit naman? Ba't wag naman pala? What happened? Okay lang yan. Ano bang rank mo na? Baka humble ka lang, ha? Baka humble ka lang. Malapit na guys. Okay, di mamaya, laro tayo mamaya. Lahat ng mga epic naman, lalaro tayo. Ayun! Si Yasin. Kasyo. Kasyo, ikaw na. Naku po. Yun. Ay, hello, sorry away. Oh, sure. Add kita mamaya. Add kita po. Pa-follow na lang po muna ako, sir, para makapagano po tayo, makapaglaro po tayo. Maya lang. Salamat.
A hero.
Ayan. Baragan ulit. Puguin. Masyaban. Nag-request, Masyaban daw, Masyaban. Naririnig ni paring Sid.
Your team is banning.
Ayan, pinagbigyan ka na ni paring Sid. Pinagbigyan ka na. Alam mo naman dito. Pagbibigyan ka namin. Sid, salamat. Joke lang daw. Yan. Nagbibigyan ka ni paring Sid. Sige.
I see lots of prey.
Please pick a hero.
Ay! Nag-chat.
My magic flows as freely
Grabe,
as the
no?
wind.
May Roger na naman. Ang kulat kaya ng Roger. Sige pa, Rom ka na. Ano? Ay, Aldous.
I am the moonlight that
Mahirap
breaks
na
through
ngayon
the
si
darkness.
Masha. Totoo? Mahirap na? Parang...
Love and hope are the two greatest inventions.
Nalalambutan nga ako minsan dyan. May tanama siya. Sa jungler. Asano, niya yun. Ganun pala. Fuego. Sige, tingnan ko nga yan. Siya ba yung gumagamit ng Masha? Mapanood ka nga yan para Ang ganda kaya ng ano ko, skin ko dyan si Masha. Hindi ko lang nagagamit.
Born with talent.
Ipakita mo na. Show daw, paring Sid. Show daw. Show mo daw, pare. Sabi ni Kasyo. Yan. Nice one.
The enemy is picking.
Ano kaya ang gagamitin ito ni Kasyo? Mukhang ito magbubuhat sa atin, ah. Targeting ko, Roger. Parang kagabi lang, ah.
Destroy and conquer.
Wala, pare. Wala kang mahihingi sa aking skin. Target mo si Zaz, pre. Much better targetin natin yung Angela. Yung malalambot lang talaga, yung pakayang-kaya pang one-hit combo. Okay, target mo, Kari.
My blood boils until the day I die.
Bossing, sali ka sa amin mamaya, ha? Sali ka sa amin. Sassy Nails pa. Uy, mayroong clinic pa. Sumali, join. Precious Sofia. Hi, hello po. Dalaw lang din. Johan. Nesta Buzo. Epic pa ako, sayang. Hindi, next game. Siguro, ano, maya-maya lang, mag-epic tayo. Tapusin lang namin itong mga laro namin. Basta, ay, hello Sir Johan. Sige po, sali ka. Follow mo muna ako, sir, para makasali po tayo, para makapaglaro tayo mamaya po. And then, lagay mo lang po kung anong rank nyo po para malaman po namin kung ano. At kung po, yun, salamat Sir Johan. Salamat po. Baka pabuhat yan. Oo, pabuhat kami. Sira. Ayun, sir. Join lang kayo ng join sa amin. Mangwawarak tayo. Mahina siguro. Pabuhat ako mamaya sa'yo. Paano buhat ba, pare? Pwede. Pabuhat. Buhat talaga, literal na buhat. Pero dito sa laro, hindi kaya. Mahina lang kami dito, par. Hindi kami ganun kalakas. Lance Malup. Ay, hello, Chinita Girl. Hello po. Sali na yung mga may gusto mag-ML dyan.
Welcome to Mobile Legends.
Wow, humble.
5 seconds till the enemy reaches the battlefield. Smash them. All troops deployed. Launch attack.
Ay, hello. Sus, training ka muna sa AI. Sira talaga.
You can no longer move. Don't even try.
AI nga, napapatay na ako eh. Kailan lang kasi ako bumalik ulit ng ML guys eh. Itong wala na akong trabaho yun, makapag-ML na ako na sagaran.
The storm is coming.
Hi Sir Dong Kenneth.
Initiate retreat. First blood.
Yan, dalaw lang. Hanap ng duo. Matagal ka na naghahanap ng duo. Sige, pagbibigyan kita dyan. Duo tayo mamaya.
Sound of the winds.
Pagbibigyan ka dyan. Tapusin lang namin itong mga rank namin. Nagpaparank up kami. Nagpapamiktik ako ngayon, par.
Nothing can stop me from soaring to the skies.
Nagpapamitik ako ngayon. Mamaya kayo, may kasama ako. Oh, sige, no problem, par. Kung kailan ka available.
Where is the boy who's like fire?
Uy. Sayang pa, pera pa. Ay,
In
nawala.
the name of the wind.
Practice ka muna, Johan. Uy, huwag mo trash talking yan! Baka may mag-1v1 kayo, mapanoorin ko talaga kayo. Huwag mo trash talking yan, par. Kaibigan natin yan. Malaman mamaya. Sino mala... Nice one! Ang galing mo sa frame shot, Sid. Mati ka pa rin frame shot ako, may kasunod ka na eh. Well play, salamat mga bossing. Tamang ano lang, tamang chillax lang tayo. Visit lang, ganun. Hindi, syempre, hindi natin pwede pabayaan yung mga kasama natin. Okay, saan tayo bibisita? Okay, sa baba. Buhay na yung baba.
Your team destroyed a turret.
The storm is coming.
The enemy has
Uy!
slain the turret.
Boom! Uy, ito, huy, pare. Ito sa akin. Ay, hinangat ako. Nice one. Okay lang yan. Well, nakita ko sa bash eh. Napalalim ako na masyado eh. Tap-user po ako, kaya ako magbuhat sa'yo. O yun! Ayun ang mga gusto kong mga hero. Tank. Actually talaga, tank talaga ako before. Tapos nag-show-support ako Angela, Estes, ayan.
An enemy has been slain.
Okay lang pare, okay lang. No problem. Ayun nga eh. Sasakay nga dapat ako kaso may nakasakay para makaligtas ako. Kaso wala, tigre pala to.
The boy who is like wind.
Tara, game. Oy!
It is the sound of the winds.
Itong kasama natin dito si Sid, malakas to mag Johnson. Johnson King to eh.
Launch attack.
Johnson God.
Request backup. Initiate retreat.
The boy who is like wind.
Ay, yun lang, tinabutan ako, sayang. Kala ko napatay ko yung ano.
Enemy has been slain.
Kala ko napatay ko. Sayang. Kala ko, sayang. Kaya, hindi, okay lang yun, para okay lang yan. Kuya Vin. Sino yan, bossing?
The enemy has slain the Request backup.
Kabado.
Nothing can stop me from soaring.
Hindi, pare, yun lang talaga. Minsan talaga, natatamaan talaga yung mga ganong bagay. Kapatay na namin to. Ay, naka-Angela. Ni Angela siya. Ayun, no. Ay tayo. Dami. Karami. Ang dami kalaban. Pakitin muna ako. Sige pare, mas mabuti yun. Ako rin. Ako rin.
Request backup.
Sige boss.
We can still win. Our turret is under attack.
Don't even
May sanib pala yun. Kaya malakas.
Backup.
Understood.
Ay na nakakainis no. Yung mga ano. Sanib, Angela.
In the name of the wind.
Malakas din yun ng Angela eh. Ang baba na ng cooldown niya. Tulungan natin to sa baba.
You can no longer move. Don't even try.
Launch attack.
Understood.
Ay, naagawan tayo ng turtle.
Listen.
Parang di na...
It is the sound of the winds.
Boom.
In the name of the wind.
Ako po. Kinakawawa yung baba natin. May sanib. Wag niyong palagan pag may sanib, pare.
Behold, the fury of the wind.
Pinapasok ko no Roger, ang lakas. Epic daw, 5-star. Pinapasok ko pre. Tori na yun, ha?
The enemy has slain the turtle.
Relax.
The boy who is like wind.
Mali mga nadadaanan ko. Sige, play sip ako. Ano? Tower hug kung kakailanganin, huwag lalalim.
Launch attack.
Huwag sa malalim.
An ally has been slain.
Where is the boy who's like fire?
Nice one, Mia. Nice one.
Your team destroyed a turret. Request backup. Initiate retreat.
Nothing can stop me from soaring to the skies. The storm is coming.
Initiate retreat. Okay.
You can no longer move. Don't even try.
Okay.
The boy who was like wind.
Naku po, hindi dyan pala kayo. Hindi ko nakita. Wala akong buhay. Hindi ko naiwanan ng ano.
Our turret has been destroyed. Our turret is under attack. Initiate retreat. Our turret has been destroyed. Your team destroyed the turret.
Oh, pinapasok ng Roger. Lakas. Ban tayo, Roger. Ban natin, Roger. Ban natin.
Our inhibitor turret is under attack.
Oo, yung malambot lang. Targetin natin yung malambot muna, mga pre.
The enemy has slain Lord.
Yung mga Angel, laging yan.
Your team destroyed a turret.
Okay, nangangat na sila, oh. Wala na silang torre sa ano, oh, gilid. Kaya to. Kaya to, relax lang.
It is the sound of the winds.
Huwag lalalim.
Initiate retreat.
Understood.
Sid, wala kasi si Kush eh, no? Si Kush.
Initiate retreat.
Understood.
In the name of the wind.
Pababay natin si Balmon. Pababay natin si Balmon.
Our turret is under attack. Our turret inhibitor turret is under
Ayun na,
attack.
Sid. Ayun na. Pumasok na yung Roger.
Inhibitor turret is under attack.
Nice one, pare. Nice one. Ayun, that's called teamwork. Nice one, pare. Ang galing mo dun. Wasak eh, kaling eh. Lagabog talaga.
Listen, it is the sound of the wind.
Launch attack.
Understood.
The storm is coming.
Understood.
Lagabog. Oy, Kari. Sorry, di ko na ano, di ako nakasakay.
Initiate.
Ganun ulit, guys.
Like wind.
Lumalalim na naman yung ano, Robby. Hi, Lala. Lala nag-join.
Launch attack.
Nothing can stop me from soaring to the skies.
Initiate retreat.
Behold!
Uy! Sorry, pare.
Never stop.
Enemy double kill.
Hindi ko napansin yung... Sorry, sa akin. Mas lang. Kayang-kaya eh. Patay na yun. Nice one.
Backup turret has been destroyed.
Behold, the fury of the wind.
Request backup. Initiate retreat.
Sige, antayin nyo. Hindi ako maka-champo eh. Hindi ako maka-champo na maganda.
In the name of the winds.
Uy! Bumaba ako. Bakit ako nakababa?
Our base is under attack. Okay.
Akala ko kasi makakabol ko yung Angela eh. Sayang, sayang. Pero okay lang. Pero bawi tayo guys. Bawi tayo. Bawi tayo. Sino nagpasok kayo, no? Ejaculation. Bawi tayo guys. Bawi. Okay lang yan. Grabe naman kayo. Huwag kayong man-trash talk. Kung yung trash talk yung kakampi natin. Oh! Nawala. Sino nawala? Yung dalawa? Nawala. Sid, nawala yung dalawa. Di kinaya. Ayan na natin siya. Sali tayo iba. Laro lang to eh. Laro lang naman tayo. Ayan, sisid na angkor. Pero hanap tayo iba. Guys, sali na kayo. Sali na po. Sali na. Sino gusto sumali dyan? Pero sige, babawi muna kami. Kaya walang may gusto. Sayang yun. Masyadong sayang yung laro, pero okay lang yan. Ganun talaga. May nananalo, may natatalo. Wala pa may gusto sumali. Okay lang yan.
Team is banning.
hero. The enemy is picking.
Dapat binan natin yung Roger,
Your
pare.
team is picking.
When the body suffers,
Sid,
the
pare, ikaw na,
spirit
pare. Sid.
blooms.
Wait lang. Open yung Estes. Pwede naman.
I see lots of prey.
The enemy is picking.
May the blood of my
Ay,
enemies
parang wala
flow
ka.
from
Hindi
my
kita
spear.
nakita na open ka. Nagsasabi ako kanina, par. Sorry. Ano, next game. Promise. Kasi dito, puro kami epic, mythic. Naghanap kami ng core, sana. Ay, kaso nga lang, nga pala, tank user ka nga pala, no? I'm still waiting. Sige. No problem. Walang problema. Naku po, Casio. Pare, meron ng ano. Ay, oo nga pala. Core nga pala yun. Sorry, Sid, pare, sorry. Kaso parang gusto ko mag-Angela. Angela.
I didn't cure the pain. I harness it.
Sana Roger, no? Okay lang yan. Adrian Santiano, hi, hello po. Nag-pig. Okay lang yan, pare. Okay lang yan. Wala problema dyan. Angela gaming tayo ngayon. Palo kalaban. Bakbakan to, ngat-ngatan to. Nakukunat mga kalaban, no? May Martis. May Arlot pa. Hanabi, okay lang kung Hanabi. Ganda ng skin nung ano, Sojak. Martis.
Welcome to Mobile Legends! 5 seconds till the enemy reaches the battlefield. Smash them! All troops deployed!
It's my job to help people. Ha!
Understood.
Gigigata, the strings of my puppet got tangled up. Can you help me with that? Thatcher calls me his little angel, but I can't fly. Huh. Ha! Huh. Beep-a, beep-a. Abracadabra! Keep smiling!
Request backup.
Be cheerful every day!
First blood.
Nadali ako dun. Nice one.
Enemy has been slain. An enemy has been slain.
Nice one,
Ally has
Tangerine.
been slain. Initiate retreat.
Sorry pare, pasensya ka na. Hindi lang talaga nagawa yun, hindi lang nagawa. Laro lang naman. laro lang. Hindi niya binanggaan yung kalaban. Hindi naman, wala namang perfecto sa paglalaro eh. Laro lang naman, par. Okay lang yan. Pero kaibigan natin yan, par. Kaibigan natin yan.
Turtle.
Except
Oo, babawi tayo mamaya. Promise. Bawi tayo mamaya. Ang dami kong star na natalo natin. Kaya kailangan natin bawiin.
Gather at the turtle. Understood.
Okay lang yan, par.
Enemy has slain the turtle.
keep on smiling! It's important!
Ebisu, anong nangyari sa'yo? Ebisu. Sige, alam ko na kaibigan lang na. Yes, tama. Tama yan. Para marami tayong kaibigan.
Every day!
Make love, not war. Oo par, mga 11 maglalaro ako ha. 11 ng gabi, 11 PM. Start ko. Tagal, uy. Sige, susubukan ko pare, Chat nga kita pare, chat kita pare ha. Gawa tayong GC natin. Pasukin mo na Roger. Pasukin mo na. Roger. Grabe yun. Pati kami na... Ano yun? Ano yung hiccup na yun?
My daddy.
Namatay kaming tatlo doon. Oo nga pala. Sayang. Ang layo ko kanina eh.
Stay in a good mood every day. Beep-a, beep-a.
Alas stress pare. May gagawin ako mamaya eh. Baka...
Slain the turtle.
Let's see. Try natin.
Watch out for neck problems.
Sige pare. Ingat. Items muna tayo mga kapatid. Sige pare. Items muna tayo mga kapatid. Uy! Sige, subukan mo. Sumubok ka. Nasibak yung dalawa natin.
Don't give up. Let's try again.
Our turret turret has been destroyed.
Ala, kami pa nga. Kami pa nga malala. Tayo pa nga malala daw. Uy, yun lang. Hinaharas yung Roger natin. Yung Roger pa yung nahaharas.
Chores. Except cooking. It's my job to help people.
Relax.
Kikikaka, the strings of my puppet got tangled up. Can you help me with that?
Ay, nay.
Turret has been destroyed. The enemy has slain.
May Shopee dyan may Lazada ata.
Doctor
720. Mamaya explain ko sa'yo. Sa wallet mo. Set na matindi para.
Our turret is under attack. Your team destroyed the turret.
Yayabangan tayo na ito.
Except cooking.
Ay, yun lang. Yun lang. Sayang. Yun lang.
Launch attack. Our turret has been destroyed. Our inhibitor turret is under attack.
Hindi ko lang din sure eh. Na-cancel nga eh. Ay hindi pare, kay Martis yan. Kay Martis yan. Kaya naka-cancel.
Abracadabra, keep smiling.
Yari tayo.
Papi, boom.
Bro! Kapitan mo naman bro.
Initiate our turret is under attack.
Tangled up. Can you help me with that?
Kung nandito ba naman si Coach pare, ay nakabalik.
An enemy has been slain.
Wala na, defeat. Oo nga eh. Ay, nawawala si Casio. Nawawala si Casio pare. Nawawala yung MM natin. Baka malag siya.
Our inhibitor turret is under attack.
Malag ka, Casio. Kaya nga, inayabangan kami. Tinitipi-tipihan kami.
Ally has been slain. Enemy double
Tinitipi kami.
enemy has been slain.
Ay, gagi! Bakit doon ako sumanib? Ang sungit.
Inhibitor turret is under attack. Turret has been destroyed. You have been slain.
Ay, nako. Sablay. Mali. Sorry ako.
Initiate retreat. Our turret is under attack. Initiate retreat.
Oo, pare. Lobat na ako.
Your team destroyed a turret.
Heaven ako magsasamin.
puppet got tangled up. Can
Yun, buti marunong si ano. Roger, oh. Hinangat-ngat na.
Team destroyed a turret.
Hindi. Grabe ka naman, bossy. Hindi yung mahina, boss. Malakas yan.
Pika pika. Papi papi boy.
Ayun yung nag-Johnson kanina, par. Napanood mo?
Our turret is under attack. Our turret has been
Smiling.
under attack.
Hindi ako makaporma talaga.
Our base is under
Nakakancel. Nakakancel.
Be careful. Everything.
ally has been double kill.
Papi papi boy.
Our inhibitor turret is under attack. Double kill.
Nice one, pare. Madali mo. Batang bata.
Our inhibitor turret is under attack. Our inhibitor turret is under attack.
Dep lang talaga kaya. Nak nung.
Keep on smiling. It's important.
Wag. Kailangan ko ng ano, speed.
Papi papi boy.
Your team destroyed the turret.
Sige par. No problem. Grabe ginawa nung Hanabi. Sa ano? Anong ano mo? ID. ML ID mo pare, ML ID mo. Nawawala si Casio kasi. Sige, copy. Wala. AFK si Casio, oh. Nadali tayo doon. Sid, AFK pala yan. Sorry. Di nakapaglaro na maayos. Teka, may i-add lang ako. 1 3 8 6 0 4 2 1 5 6. Ay, epic nga talaga. Echo. Epic. Kaso pare, wait lang. Baka meron kang legend dyan pare. Baka may legend ka dyan, bossing. Wala, yan talaga. Andito si Sid, wait lang ha. Looking pa kami ng legend eh. Rank talaga laban namin, laro namin, hindi kami nagka-classic eh. Pero pa pwede ba bossing mamaya nga? Sid, wala kasi si Kush eh, no? Si Kush lang magaling mag-bet eh. Mag-ben eh. Malapit ka na mag-legend. Ilang star na lang. Baka naman pwede mo maglaro ka muna ng pa-legend ka muna tapos salid ka sa amin ni Sid mamaya. Pre. 5 star. Solid, epic 1. Mamaya tutulungan kita dyan. After namin ni Sid maglaro. Ha? Tutulungan kita dyan. Huwag kang mag-alala. Di kita... I-chat kita. Anong pangalan mo? Anong pangalan mo sa ano? Wait lang. Okay. Pero pinalaw na kita ha. Pinalaw na kita. Tutulungan kita dyan. Chat kita mamaya. Hanap kami na legend guys. Hanap kami na legend. Sinong... Laro mo na kami ni Sid. Sid. Hindi natin alam kung sino kakampihin natin, Sid. Si Coach kasi wala eh. Busy pa eh. Mamaya pa yun. Mamaya pa yun si Coach. Allen Dave. Okay, sige pare. No problem. Hindi, i-chat. Expect mo mag-chat ako sa'yo dito sa TikTok. Ha? TikTok. Okay pare. Sige. Note ka muna dyan pare. Enjoy watching muna tayo. Nabawi kami ni Sid, nawala mga star namin eh. Kagabi, puro kami, win streak kami kagabi eh. Pwede yan. Walang, pambihirang pangalan yan. Pangalan pala yan. Grabe, init niyo yan pare. Taga saan ka ba? Di lang ako sa bahay, umuho pa. Nakaupo na lang, uhaw pa eh, no? Nakakaupo na lang, uhaw pa. Mamantay ka ng
even when all is forlorn.
Teka, mag-MM ako pare.
Do you want to make friends with Nana?
Maghahanabi tayo.
Your team is picking. Of imprisonment.
Salamat po sa mga nagpa-follow. Hello po. Salamat din po sa nagda-like. Di ako makapag-post ng mga ano natin, highlights natin. Mamaya siguro.
Sanjo.
Sid, ikaw na pare, Sid.
Test. Alpha is online.
Sige pare, no problem. Core. Sayang no, AFK lang yung MM natin. Kung di AFK yun, maayos. Maayos sana ang laro. Automatic yun, boss. Kapag nag-jungle ka or nag-core ka, retry ka. Sid, balta mo yung ano mo.
Need some stitches?
Pare.
Your team is picking.
John Lord Monsan. Hi, sir. Hindi, parang mas... XP ako, XP lane. XP lane ako. Sige, boss.
The hunt begins.
Kailangan ko ng ano.
Always on the way.
Mabilis ang level up. Hindi naman par. Ano yan? JS God yan, JS God. Johnson. Gusto ko sana mag-XP lane pare, pero sige, gold na lang ako.
Muscle of iron, bones of steel.
Salamat. Naniniwala daw sa ano. Ayun, nag-gold lane na ako, pre. Nag-gold lane na ako. So, explain kasi ang gusto ko sana para makadalaw agad ako. Ayun sana yung plano ko. Then, kapag dumadalaw ako, pupunta na ako ng gold. Ah, late. Late comment. Okay, okay. Seryoso na tayo, seryoso. Ito pinaka main ko talaga, ito. Hanabi. Nasa 800 ata yung ano ko na ito. Pare, ano lang yan? Cook saka Alfonso. Cook Alfonso lang yan. Matanggal uhaw.
Welcome to Mobile Legends! 5 seconds till the enemy reaches the battlefield. Smash them! All troops deployed!
Hellfire enlivens Higambana. I'm not fixated on winning. Not anymore.
Ay, grabe yun. Uy, sinilaki pa.
Face the power of a Scarlet.
Solid. Solid yun. Oo, boss, paparang up kami. Ah, sige, parang up ka muna, par. Tapos mamaya, pasok tayo mamaya. Sure ball tayo niyan. Ako nga rin, papaano ako eh, papamating ako eh. Cute kaya. Salamat, salamat, pre.
Dazzling but dangerous.
Okay, okay, okay. Oop! Wala dito. Ay, wala dito. Dumalaw agad. Balas yung dalawa na.
First blood! Great play!
Surrender.
An enemy has
Nice
been
one.
slain.
Ang galing.
You win some, you lose some. Now I understand.
Gather at the turtle! Okay. Gather at the turtle!
I always remember my enemies. There's much I've learned from them.
An enemy has been slain. An ally has slain the turtle. An enemy has been slain.
私に角を。制圧する。The shore is never as far away as it seems. 制圧する。彼岸花。私に角を。Petal blade。制圧する。You don't need to reach the pinnacle to bloom, Hanabi.
Lugi, 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 lugi.
We forge ahead together, like two parallel lines.
Lugi tayo dun ah.
Slower, steadier.
Ang galing naman nun. Oh. Pinaban. Nice one, pare. Sisid yan eh.
Launch attack.
Understood.
Si Sid yan.
Lusting for power makes them weak.
Mega kill! Double kill! Triple kill! Request backup!
Understood.
Ay! Yutay ako dun. Nice one, pare.
Gather at the turtle.
Okay.
Hindi ako makapag-item
今
sila.
夜は月が綺麗ね
An ally has slain the launch attack!
I always remember my enemies. There's much I've learned from them.
You have slain an enemy! Legendary! Well played. Your team destroyed a turret! Request back, okay!
You don't need to reach the pinnacle to bloom. Hana.
Legendary! Legendary!
I'm not fixated on winning.
Our turret has been destroyed. You have slain an enemy. You destroyed a turret. Legendary. An enemy has been slain. Killing spree. Shut down.
Namatay ako dun.
An ally has slain the turtle.
I will not succumb to nightmares.
You win some, you lose some. Now I understand.
Shut down.
Grabe, ang bilis nun. Ang bilis pala ng attack speed nun.
Launch attack.
Lugi.
Our turret is under attack.
Ano, nasibak ako, pre, nasibak ako niyan.
Our turret has been destroyed.
今夜は月が綺麗ね
Diretsuhin ko yan.
Mega kill. Request backup. Ally has been slain. An enemy has been slain.
Burn
Dali ako doon.
Your team destroyed a turret. Shut down. An enemy has been slain. An ally has slain Lord.
Higambana knows what I discern. I will not succumb to
Ally has been
nightmares.
slain.
Ayan, ewan ko na lang. Pure critical talaga yan.
An enemy has been slain. Ally has been slain.
Ito na lang tayo.
You win some, you lose some. Now I understand.
Higambana.
Just let go! Seiyatsuru! Watashi ni kago wo! Seiyatsuru!
Gra. Nahuhuli talaga ako sa mga ganun.
Our turret has been destroyed. An enemy has been slain. Double kill. Our turret is under attack. An enemy has been slain. An ally has been enemy double kill. Double kill. Launch attack.
Understood.
Si Candy dito ang Terisla.
Fear. It drowns you in the dark river of your mind.
Team destroyed a turret. Surrender. Lord. Your team destroyed a turret. Watashi ni kago wo. Initiate retreat. Killing spree. Double kill.
Watashi ni kago wo.
Seiyatsuru. Triple kill.
Noy! Hindi pa namatay yun. Ang tindi nun. Ay, grabe naman to. Grabe naman yung score ko. Pumasok yung MM. Oo, sorry.
I will not succumb to nightmares.
Request backup. Okay.
We don't need to reach the point of the
Ano ba naman yan? Sinisibak ako ng MM nila. Ang lakas ng MM nila, nakakaasar. Bag.
dazzling but dangerous.
The enemy has slain Lord.
Understood.
今夜は月が綺麗ね。
Nakuha pa yung monster.
Initiate
Resting
retreat.
from power makes them weak. Withered and bright.
Initiate retreat. Okay.
I always remember my enemies. There's much I've learned from them.
Initiate retreat.
Uy!
Turret is under attack.
Nice one, napatay mo.
Get lost.
Patay sa'yo yan, Pat.
Allied turret has been destroyed.
Dinaksakan lang.
Our inhibitor turret is under attack.
Ang bigat mo na yung salita
Our
ka.
turret has been destroyed.
I will not succumb to nightmares.
Uy! Sobra na naman ako.
Higambana knows what I deserve.
Famous ka pala ha. Sige.
Initiate retreat. Launch attack. Initiate retreat.
Understood. Understood.
Our turret is under attack. Initiate retreat. Okay.
You win some, you lose some. Now, Watashi ni kago!
Lakas ng MM. Isip. Alas.
Our inhibitor turret is under attack. The team destroyed the turret.
Surrender! Higambana! Watashi ni kago!
Initiate retreat. Okay.
Kulat nyo ha. Sige.
Understood.
Initiate retreat.
I always remember my
Understood.
enemies.
Initiate retreat.
There's
Our
much I've
turret
learned
is
from
under
them.
attack. Our turret has been destroyed. Initiate retreat.
Ay!
I want to get
Our
lost.
inhibitor turret is under attack. Shut down. Initiate retreat.
Understood.
Launch attack. Okay. Our turret has been destroyed. An ally has been slain. Our base is under attack.
to nightmares.
Ba yan? Crips na nga inuuna ko eh. Hindi pa rin kinaya. Ay, Sid! Malas! Lahat na ginawa ko. Talo na naman tayo. Sid, mamaya ulit tayo, Sid. Sid, mamaya. Sid, pare. Pre. Mamaya ulit, mamaya ulit. May gagawin lang ako. Out muna tayo, out muna. Malas pare, sorry. Hindi natin kinaya. Sige, mamaya babawi ako sa inyo, babawi ako. Bawi tayo mamaya, babawi. Hindi pa pwedeng hindi tayo bumawi. Ang sayang yung ano. Troy Alex. Bye bye guys.